Hey there, Bruce Milligan from Cellpro Repair Solutions here. Just doing a video on this Huawei P30 Pro. What we're running into is basically this camera is not working. So what I've done is I've taken the cameras out and by process of elimination figured out which camera was causing the problem, and it's basically just saying that the app can't run the camera. Anyways, I'll show you guys how I did that. I've already done a video on the back removal and the take apart of this particular phone, so I'll link to that video. But right now I'm just going to continue. And look all right, yeah? Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so basically we know it's one of the cameras. It could be any camera. It could even be the front-facing camera. So I actually have two identical phones here, which I've already removed the front-facing camera, so I do know it's the back, and I have the extra back camera here as well. So what I basically did, and I've already tried this one as well. I know it's not that. So I removed this one, like so. Put the new camera in place. Make sure it's connected there, connected here, and connected there. All right, and then I'm just gonna temporarily attach this, which is the back. Just going to attach it with one screw. Whoops. So we can test it out. Unfortunately, these screws aren't very magnetic. Alright, we're just going to screw it in place. Alright, and I guess I forgot to turn it off, but anyways, let's try it out. Okay, so we are going to have to restart it. And we'll just do that now. Alright, so while that phone is restarting, so basically what you do with this phone, this is the original here that I took the part out of that wasn't working. Essentially, I'll walk you through it again. Just clip it in and clip it in here, and also this guy has a little clip over top of it. The top of it, the arrow was pointing up, so we're just going to reinstall that as well. Like so, and that'll keep that in place. Alright, so back to the original phone here that we were having the problem with. I'm just going to hide the code. Alright, and now we open up the camera, and now the camera's working. So that's how you install a new camera on your P30 Pro. If you like this video, please subscribe or thumbs up. Alright, thank you very much.